Hey guys, good morning. Happy May Day to you. So I wanted to go ahead and talk about the stock of the day today. Is that bad scientist out there? I am really looking at Twilio. Man, I remember when Twilio was all the way back down at like $16 or $20 down here. I remember it way back here. And now look at it. Granted, they did have some more shares that they went ahead and released, and they did do another offering, but look at that. It has just gone nowhere but up for the past year. And it is now breaking all-time highs for the company. So definitely on watch for Twilio. And you can see I have my levels here that I'm watching. So 141.05 for support and 145.50 for resistance. And looking at the short percentage, we have, it was 38.94, and so it was 705,000 shares. Let me just see here how many we have had traded so far today. I think we are well above that today. Yeah, oh no, actually we're not. We have only had 182,000 that has traded so far today. So we shall see if we have a bit more of a squeeze. Now, Twilio does have 95 million in the float, so pretty big float still, but you can also see here, even on this small trading view chart, you can see the MACD on the dailies curling up, and it looks like it could have potential for squeeze as well. Now, I know bad scientists, you always want to see the SPY. Let me go ahead and remove some of my blocks. So this is what I'm thinking for potential targets today. 295.77, 296.13 to the upside, 296.25. When we pull it back on the daily, you can see here we keep going. Hold on, let me just remove these now. Now it's a little too jumbled, but you guys got to see my potential targets. And you can see we kept coming down here, and we keep bouncing off of this 8 EMA average, and it just keeps spiking on up. Like every day it comes down, test and bump up, test, bump up. We had a bit of a sell-off on Monday, but still we pulled down, and it looks like there was more buying. Look, we have even higher volume here than we have had. Let's say back here was when we had that same amount of volume. So yesterday was a pretty big volume day, and we ended up higher than the day prior. And let's go back to the monthly chart. You can see we closed with a new high pretty much. The high back here, 293.94. We closed at 294.02. So we closed at a new high for the SPY yesterday on the daily chart and the monthly chart. So this is looking pretty bullish. You know, if we were to go back and do that, you guys saw I like to use Fibonacci. So if we go here, potential targets 307 on the longer term time frame, you know, maybe a month out potentially, for a longer term target. So that's 13 points from where we are now. So that's it, guys. You have any other questions? What insight, Trader Walt? So let's see what the market gives us today. Remember, trade with proper risk management. Apple, of course, is pulling a lot of stuff up. They had big earnings, big run up, and that one is one that we are looking at as well. All right, guys, have a great day. Carpe Profit. If you guys are interested in buying a ticket for the Modern Trader Summit, it is 20% off with May Day as the sale. And someone has said, what is that? I said, you know, that's the day where everybody dances around the pole with the ribbons, and it's also International Labor Day. So have a great May Day, International Labor Day, and Carpe Profit, one trade at a time. Have a great one, guys.